Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then we have to localize a special number which is called build number. So let me go into the device identifiers, and as you can see the build number is at the very bottom. So let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general list of the settings and enter the system, and here we've got the developer options, so let's tap on it. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can enable the strict mode, we can show view updates, we can change the window animation scale, etc. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall. So basically, to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top. Actually, you do not have to go to the very top of the list, because at the top you've got this option, Use Developer Options. It is on this yellowish or greenish background. So let's simply tap on the switcher and you can see that the options, most of them are inactive. And after getting back to the system settings, you can see that the developer options will simply disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build numbers tab and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.